Hey, what's up? Today I want to share my thoughts on the Auxbeam 6-gang switch panel RA60. All you need for installation, it's inside a box, so you don't have to worry about anything. This switch panel can be connected to all types of cars. Whether you have a truck, SUV, or even a motorcycle, it fits right in. The installation is straightforward, and the included wiring harness makes it a breeze to set up. Now, let's dive into what this switch panel can do. First off, it features 6 toggle switches that are fully customizable. You can control everything from lights to accessories with just a flick. What I really love is that it has a momentary and pulse option, which means you can easily operate things like horns or winches without any hassle. The RGB backlighting is a fantastic touch, allowing you to choose your favorite color or even cycle through them. Plus, the dimmable feature means you can adjust the brightness to suit your mood or time of the day. Speaking of user experience, I've been using the Auxbeam switch panel for a while now, and I have to say it's been excellent. The build quality is solid, and I love how responsive the switches are, making my off-road lights easy to manage and of course improving my driving experience. Overall, if you're looking to enhance your vehicle's functionality and style, I highly recommend the Auxbeam 6-gang switch. For sure, it's a game changer.